used to this. Cause a commotion. 3, 2, 1, lift off. Looks like you lost me. Impeccable fist, don't care what it cost me.
Hi guys, welcome back to Recipe channel, your connections to China. In today's episode, we are going to talk about the latest news about Xiaomi. So after months of leaks and rumors, Xiaomi's 12 series is now official with 3 entries. Last night, December the 28th, Xiaomi had their official launch of their flagship, which is the Xiaomi 12, the Xiaomi 12 Pro, and the Xiaomi 12x. The vanilla model takes a more compact approach with its 6.28-inch screen, while still fitting the very best Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip. The 12 Pro bumps up the size to 6.723 inches and also boasts the same SoC, but it also adds an LTPO AMOLED display, bigger battery, faster charging, and more capable camera hardware. The more budget-oriented Xiaomi 12X comes with the Snapdragon 870 SoC and similar size and specs to the Xiaomi 12. The Xiaomi 12 comes with the smallest screen on a Xiaomi flagship since the Xiaomi Mi 8 days, which is a welcome move for compact flagship enthusiasts. The Samsung-made 6.28-inch AMOLED panel supports FHD Plus resolution and refreshes at up to 120 Hz. There's an under-display fingerprint scanner, while Corning Gorilla Glass Victus is here to fend off scratches. Xiaomi 12 brings the familiar 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 sensor found in several of the 2021 crop of flagships from major Android makers. It's a 1/1.56 inches size sensor with 1.0 pixels and OIS. The 2 auxiliary sensors are a 13-megapixel ultra-wide snapper and a 50mm equivalent 5-megapixel telemacro cam. Xiaomi engineers managed to shrink the Vanilla 12's motherboard while still fitting an adequately sized cooling pad and all other key components. The smaller Xiaomi 12 gets a 4,500 mAh battery with 67 watts wired fast charging, 50 watts wireless charging, and 10 watts reverse wireless top-ups. Xiaomi 12 series phones will ship with the brand new MIUI 13. The Xiaomi 12 series comes in black, blue, and pink colors. There's a special green vegan leather version for both phones. The entry-level Xiaomi 12 with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage comes in at 3,699 Chinese yuan or $580. There's a midway 8x256GB model priced at 3,999 Chinese yuan or $628, while the 12x256GB trim is at 4,399 Chinese yuan or $690. The Xiaomi 12 series will be available from December the 31st in China, and international pricing and availability will be detailed at a later date. The Pro model 6.73-inch panel comes with 1440p resolution and uses an LTPO 2.0 backplane, which allows for variable refresh rates of 1 to 120 Hz depending on the task at hand. Xiaomi 12 Pro also comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner and Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Both Xiaomi 12 phones output 12-bit colors and can crack out up to 1,500 nits of brightness. Xiaomi 12 Pro brings three 50-megapixel cameras with a Sony IMX707 sensor for the main shooter. It's 1 by 1.28 inch in size and supports pixel binning with one big 2.44 amp pixels and OIS. The second 50-megapixel sensor is a portrait lens, while the third one brings an ultra-wide module. CyberFocus is Xiaomi's self-developed fast autofocus tech, which manages to keep a lock on subjects' faces and other background elements. Xiaomi is also boasting a new night mode algorithm that should capture more light in dimly lit areas while keeping noise levels in check. There's a 4,600 mAh battery split into two cells that charge at 120 watts via cable and up to 50 watts wirelessly. Xiaomi also added its own in-house Surge P1 charging chip to help handle power management. In terms of audio, the Xiaomi 12 Pro is equipped with a 4-unit speaker system that includes a dedicated tweeter to deliver an improved audio experience. The speaker system comes with a Harman Kardon tuning. Okay, so that's the sound test. I don't know guys if you can hear it. The Xiaomi 12 Pro measures 163.6 by 74.6 by 8.16 millimeters and weighs 205 grams. The Xiaomi 12X is the third member of the Xiaomi 12 series. The smartphone features the same 6.28-inch display that is available on the regular Xiaomi 12. It also carries the identical triple rear camera setup and the same 4,500 mAh battery. In terms of differences, the Xiaomi 12X is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 SoC, which is paired up to 12 GB of RAM. The phone has up to 256 GB of onboard storage. So that concludes our Xiaomi 12 series. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. 再见，拜拜。
Sorry, it's DJ.